This is your Deepa Mataji. I am back with new topic. In the last session, Rakshita Mataji has taught you letter A to F. Today I am going to teach you letter G to L. Okay children? Which letter is this? This is letter G. G for grass. G sounds G. G sounds G. Which letter is this? This is letter H. H for horse. It sounds H. Which letter is this? Letter I. I for ink pot. I sounds E. I sounds E. Which letter is this? This is letter J. J for joker. J for joker. J sounds J. J sounds J. Which letter is this? This is letter K. K for king. K for king. K sounds K. K sounds K. L for lion. L for lion. L sounds L. Now, shall we write the letters G to L in the 4 lines book? Okay, children? In English class book. First, take your Amma help and mention the date as 4 sleeping line, 3 sleeping line, 2, 1, 21. And tell your Amma to mention the heading as letters G to L. Can you see how I have kept the dot for G? It's a running dot. So, from red line to second blue line, again go up to first blue line, small sleeping line, again from first blue line to second blue line, standing line, G. Okay children? Yes, this is letter H. So from first red line to second blue line, standing line, first red line to second blue line, standing line, middle in the blue line, in first blue line, sleeping line. Yes, for I, sleeping line from first red line to again second standing line, again from second blue line, sleeping line. Letter I. For J, I have kept 5 dots. So, in the red line, sleeping line, again from first red line to second blue line, standing line, again small, go up from curve, J. Can you see children? Yes. For K, I have kept 4 dots. Standing line from first red line to first blue line, slanting line, again from first blue line to second blue line, one more slanting line, K. So for L, I have kept 3 dots. Standing line, sleeping line, L. Okay children? Yes. So, I kindly request parents, if children is feeling difficult to write without dot, so parents can keep the dots. So, I have not kept the dots here, I am showing like that only. So, curve from first red line to second blue line curve, go up to the first blue line, again small sleeping line, from first blue line to second blue line, come down, G. So H, from first red line to second blue line, standing line, again from first red line to second blue line, standing line, again in the first blue line, sleeping line, H. Again I, letter I, sleeping line. So again from first red line to second blue line, standing line, again in the second blue line, sleeping line, I. For J, sleeping line, standing from first red line to second blue line, standing line, go up curve, J. For K, from first red line to second blue line standing line. From first red line to first blue line slanting line. From first blue line to second blue line, again one more slanting line. Letter K. Standing line. From first red line to second blue line standing line. From second blue line to again sleeping line. Letter L. Children, I have written on the 2 lines. So remaining lines take your Amma help and write. Now Mataji is going to continue the session.
Namaste children. It's rhyme time now. You'll all enjoy rhyme, is not? Before starting rhyme, have you been to jungle? Have you seen animals there? Yes? Yes, today also I'll take you to the jungle. Shall I teach that rhyme? Then you have to come to know which rhyme is that. Yes, walking through the jungle. Come, we'll go to the jungle now. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. What do you see? What do you see? I can see an elephant. I can see an elephant splashing water on me. Splashing water on me. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. What do you see? What do you see? I can see a lion. I can see a lion roaring at me, roaring at me. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. What do you see? What do you see? I can see a tiger. I can see a tiger staring at me, staring at me. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. What do you see? What do you see? I can see a peacock. I can see a peacock dancing gracefully, dancing gracefully. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? I saw monkey. I can see a monkey. I can see a monkey hanging on the tree, hanging on the tree. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. What do you see? What do you see? Yes. Did you enjoy the rhyme? These are the animals did you saw in the jungle? Very good children. Then you have to learn this rhyme. We will meet in the next session. Ram Ram.
Namaste children. It's activity time now. Today we are going to do one interesting activity, that is sand pasting activity. For this activity, you need to take a printout of a camel. You need a sand and glue. Now let's begin the activity. Write today's date, 4 sleeping line, 3 sleeping line, 2, 1, 21. First you have to take glue and apply the glue on the camel. Apply the glue all over. And then spread the glue all over like this neatly. Spread it neatly with your fingers. After spreading the glue like this, take the sand and paste it on the camel. Paste it on the camel like this. After pasting the sand, remove the extra sand and let it to dry. We have done with our sand pasting activity. Isn't it nice, children? Hope you all will enjoy doing this activity. So meet you in the next class. Dhanyavad.
Namaste children. Today's home activity is do not put any small objects into our ears and nose children. ಅಂದರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದೇನಾದರೂ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಿವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮೂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಪೇಯ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಆಚೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಅದಕ್ಕೇ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಮೂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಕಿವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾವ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನೂ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಎಸ್, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.